Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes late step by step. Gather all W-2s, Form 1099, and receipts, then calculate your total income and likely deductions so you know what you owe. Next, check whether you filed an extension and estimate penalties and interest. Finally, prepare your return electronically if possible to speed processing, or print and mail with a payment to minimize further fees. Start by reviewing last year's return to recall deductions and credits you typically claim, then compute current taxable income. Subtract withholding and any estimated payments to find your balance due. Add failure to file and failure to pay penalties, which increase the amount you owe, and include interest. If penalties seem excessive, consider requesting penalty abatement or consult a tax professional for relief options. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so you see more tax tips. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers are great for packing lunches while you handle tax paperwork, and they stop sauce spills into your forms. I find they make meal prep less chaotic during busy tax season. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If possible, file electronically to speed processing and reduce errors, and choose direct deposit for any refund. If you must mail a paper Form 1040, sign and date it and send using tracked mail. Include full payment or apply online for a payment plan to avoid additional penalties. Keep copies of everything and confirm the IRS received your return to prevent surprises later on.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.